Hello, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how incorporating Feng Shui into my home many years ago helped me establish and maintain my meditation practice. I'm also going to offer some valuable Feng Shui suggestions for helping you to create your own sacred space. So whether you are just beginning to meditate or you're enhancing your current meditation practice, this video provides insights into harmonizing the energy in your home to better support your well-being. You're really going to want to watch the whole video because I'll be sharing the 8 essential things that I always include in my own sacred space, and I refer to this special area as my nest. And at the end of the video, I'll also share 3 simple Feng Shui suggestions that will help you support your own meditation practice. The reason I created this video is because my clients often tell me that they're interested in learning more about meditation or that they need help getting started or maintaining their practice. Meditation has been my anchor for almost 20 years, and it's been such a transformative part of my life and personal Feng Shui journey. I'm sharing my personal experience now because I feel compelled to help others. I hope this video inspires you. Before I begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. And be sure to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you get started with Feng Shui, and the link is in the description. Today I'm recording directly from my personal sacred space, and I call this my nest, and it's where I meditate every morning. It's where I relax, connect with source energy, and tune into my own heart. Learning to meditate in conjunction with practicing Feng Shui can really transform your own personal qi and the energy in your home. So combining meditation with Feng Shui is really powerful, and it can help you clear out the energy in your life and create an open pathway for new opportunities and personal discoveries. So with both modalities, you are improving the energy in both your personal energy and the energy in your home. Incorporating meditation into your life can be an adjustment, but once you do it, you can experience new levels of contentment and ways to let go of your anxiety. Also, as you improve your own personal energy, the energy in your home purifies itself. One important thing that I learned from my meditation teacher was to meditate in the same place at the same time every day. And this helps your body knows exactly what to do when you begin to meditate. It's also recommended that you meditate first thing in the morning. So my routine includes I get up, I take my vitamins, I make my cup of green tea, and then I sit for 20 to 30 minutes. One way to find success in your meditation practice is to create a special place or a sacred space within your home where you can meditate on a regular basis. Here are the 8 essential Feng Shui tips that I recommend that you follow for creating your own sacred space. So the first thing is you want to create a comfortable space where you really look forward to spending time and where you feel at ease and relaxed. The second thing is make a routine of meditating and honoring yourself every day. And this is very important. Once again, I always meditate at the same time every day and in the same place. I recommend that you have your favorite journal nearby so that you can make notes either before or after you meditate. Sometimes I'll ask myself questions and I'll get an answer back. And so I always note that in my journal. I always recommend having inspirational books on my table near my nest. I often love to read a specific page before or after my meditation, and my books help me stay focused and connected on my path. So make sure you have your library of your key books that you're always going to want to refer to. I have like a couple different stacks that I keep close by, and they are so nourishing to my soul. My books are really important, and I definitely recommend having your own spiritual books that you really connect with in your space. I recommend having healing stones close by to support your personal energy. I personally like to have 7 stones that represent all 7 chakras, and this just feels good. It's like sometimes I may pick up a specific stone if I feel like I need it or if I need guidance, and the stones are also just very grounding, which really goes into the earth energy of what meditation is all about. The 6th thing is in your space, you want to have artwork that feels peaceful and supportive. Again, like I mentioned, earth energy. So like in my sacred space, I have my mountains behind me because they are very grounding and they're very supportive. So it's really about you finding a piece of artwork that inspires you and that you feel connected to and that really grounds the space. I recommend having your favorite cozy blanket nearby. I know, like for me, when I meditate, I like to stay warm. I don't want to be distracted about being cold. I really want to be able to meditate. So having my favorite blanket close by really helps me just be able to sink in and relax. So the eighth thing you might include in your sacred space could be plants or sound bowls or candles or pillows or anything that inspires you and just helps you just feel really relaxed and inspired. So how did Feng Shui help me cultivate my meditation practice? Well, I believe it helped to open up the energy in my home and my heart, and then my practice just flowed to me. I came to meditation by letting go of things in my environment. I removed the layers, the stuff, the artwork, the furniture, the clothes, the journals, and more. And I basically created a vacuum that allowed my meditation practice to flow into my life. In 2003, when I completed my Feng Shui practitioner training in San Diego, I returned to my home in Atlanta. And I really incorporated 4 key changes into my home and my life. The first thing is that I cleared out a lot of old clothes and artwork and journals and furniture and personal belongings that were really unsupportive to my energy. And then I set key intentions that aligned my new goals. Number 2, I anchored all 5 elements in my home: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and made sure that the space felt very balanced. And then number 3, I arranged my furniture and artwork in a way that really welcomed a new flow of energy into my life. The 4th thing I did was I really put a major focus on honoring my own personal chi. Making these significant changes allowed me to create a new open space in my home and within myself. And although I wasn't actively looking for a meditation practice, meditation just seemed to come out of the blue. A friend of mine at a spiritual church I was attending invited me to participate in a meditation with her. And at the time, I didn't know anything about meditation. I just knew I wanted to feel more connected. And she was a trainer for the meditation, and she actually invited me to participate in a meditation that we actually did together. And afterwards, I really loved the way I felt, and I noticed a big difference within myself. So I continued to practice my meditation every day. Honestly, in the beginning, learning how to meditate and being able to actually sit was very tough. I would literally sit for 5 minutes felt like one eye opening, wondering if I was even doing it right. But, I just kept at it every day. And after a few weeks, it went from feeling unnatural and unsettled to something that I really looked forward to. And then from there, my meditations really deepened, and so did my inner connection. And soon my meditation started to last 20 and 30 minutes or sometimes longer. And over time, my meditations truly became my anchor, and they still are to this day. So what exactly does my meditation practice look like? Well, it starts with a 20 to 30 minute meditation first thing in the morning. And this helps me start my day being clear, in balance, and focused. I get many insights from doing my meditation. Sometimes I may even ask questions and receive answers. And my meditation is a valuable time for me to gain clarity. My meditation practice also suggests, but does not require, a cleaning meditation in the evening to let go of everything that happened during the day. And I actually really look forward to these meditations because there is a huge difference between how I feel when I first sit down, which is typically distracted or like my head is full of things to do and think about, to feeling relaxed once I'm finished with my meditation. And this evening meditation helps me to unwind before I go to bed at night, and it clears my mind so that I fall asleep faster and I wake up feeling refreshed and focused. In my practice, we also conduct group meditations that you can join from the comfort of your own home, wherever you are. And my practice is referred to as the natural path, and anyone can join. If you want information about my meditation practice, visit heartfulness.org, and the link is in the description. There you'll find resources on meditation and information for how to get started. And this meditation is 100% free. My teacher taught me that you cannot charge money for your own spirituality. If you're interested in talking to me about my own personal experience with meditation, feel free to connect with me in my Facebook group. This is where we can interact personally. And the link for my Facebook group is also in the description. So are you inspired to create a sacred space in your home for your own meditation practice? If so, keep watching, because now we're going to review 3 simple Feng Shui tips to help you support your own meditation practice. One way to ensure your success in your practice is to create a place in your home where you can meditate on a regular basis. So make sure this is an area that you enjoy going to and that it's comfortable and inspiring. It could be a chair, a sofa, or a room that you designate to as your meditation place. Another Feng Shui tip is to live with what you love. Pay attention to what is surrounding you and how it makes you feel. Remove unsupportive items from the area and from your home, such as artwork, furniture, journals, and clutter. The 3 key questions I like to ask when I'm deciding what to keep or remove is, do I love it? Do I need it? And is it relevant to my life today? The third Feng Shui tip is to add the earth element to the center of your home, as this is a gentle reminder and an intention to remain grounded and centered within yourself. One key intention that I incorporated into my home in 2004 after starting my meditation practice, and it's an intention that I continue today, is to include this beautiful statue of this woman meditating. I always place her in the center of my home. And she represents peaceful yin earth energy and promotes feelings of balance and harmony. And I really like that when I'm feeling out of balance or out of alignment, that I can see her and remember to connect with my heart. And to clarify, I always place her in the center of my home because the center of my home represents your physical, spiritual, and emotional health and well-being. Placing an item that represents an earth element in the center of your home can be very grounding. To learn more about how different areas of your home represent key aspects of your life, be sure to check out my video on the Bagua, which is all about the Feng Shui map. So an earth element can be represented by meaningful statues, rocks, healing stones, and items made from the earth, such as pottery, earthenware, artwork with mountains, and it could also be the colors of brown, dark reds, yellow, and terracotta. So with all that being said, the most important thing to realize is that everything is energy. So whether you're improving the energy in your home or in your own heart, it all matters and it all makes a difference. It all makes a difference in how you feel and how you can enhance the quality of your life. As you set intentions to up-level your environment and engage with the energy, your life transforms. And on that note, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when I post a new weekly video. And I'm very too excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for the free 45-minute one-to-one Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. Calls are designed to diagnose what is happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan for opening up the blocks of energy. And we'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint will work for you. Be sure to click the link in the description to sign up, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. The Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program helps you create a peaceful and beautiful home that improves your prosperity, relationships, and well-being. And it's designed to help you create a plan for arranging your home and for providing support for you to live intentionally. I typically work with individuals who may be moving into a new home, building or renovating their homes, or looking to enhance the energy in their forever homes. And my clients are those who want to use a holistic approach to improving the energy in their homes and put a real focus on honoring their own personal chi. When you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to see the space for yourself, and our program helps you design a plan that ensures that you create a space that you absolutely love. Be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd love to meet with you. My free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click on that link in the description as well. This is a great community, and it's a valuable way to interact with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.